What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this silicone air fryer liner. Now, I have purchased the paper liners, like the reusable ones. So, there's no point of reviewing those, you guys. It's regular paper. Fryer I got from Sam's Club a little while ago. And you do get two. It says caution hot. I don't know why. I don't know if we need those stickers or not, but I'll leave that alone. The cool thing about this, you get handles, so that's pretty cool. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse these off a little bit, clean it, and then I'll use it. Oh, they have a little drain thing right here. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and put it in, and it's a little bit smaller than expected. All right, this is smaller. Now, if I get the paper liners go all the way out to the edge. So I thought this would be 8 inches. I'm gonna have to remeasure. I thought this was gonna fit. So I might have to get a size up, you guys. All right, you guys. So right here, these are 8-inch liners. And this is supposed to be 8-inch liner, but as you can see, look at that. Seems like an inch off to me, you guys. All right. I could test it with the measuring tape as well, but these are the paper liners that my wife usually get, and she loves these liners. You can't go wrong with these liners, you guys. All right. Paper liners, so of course they're not reusable, but and you see that fits the corners very well. Very, very well. And this is 8-inch. So somebody's lying.